Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. If you are new to the channel, then please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a 3D bar stack chart in VBA Excel. To create this type of chart in VBA Excel, we are going to take this data as an input, and we are going to see how our output will look first, and then we are going to get a deep understanding and the full explanation about the VBA code by looking at the VB editor. So let's see the output first. As you can see, this is the macro button from which I have assigned a VBA code inside it, and we'll see the output first. So as you can see, this is our 3D bar stacked chart in VBA Excel, and this is how our chart is gonna look. So we will be seeing that how we can code this chart, and we'll see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get into our VBA editor. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create this 3D bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So the first step which we are going to take is we are going to type range c4.select, which will be a single cell inside our data. So as you can see, this is our data, and we have selected a single cell inside it. Once you have selected a single cell inside your data, what we are going to do is we are going to type another line of code, which is activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside it we are going to give some parameters to build this chart. The first parameter will be the chart value. So for this chart, the chart value is 2, and then we are going to give the chart type. So the chart type will be Excel 3D bar stacked for this video as well. And then we are going to give the left, width, top and height parameters to position our chart inside our Excel. Once we have given these parameters, we are going to close our brackets, and then we are going to type dot select. Once you have written this dot select, and if you run that, then your chart will be created. But to make it more presentable and to show it in a better way or present it in a better way, we are going to add title and some other elements inside the chart. Let's see what are they. We are going to use the with statement to do all this, to apply all these elements inside our chart. So the first one is we are going to say with active chart. Then below that we are going to do dot has title equals to true. This line of code helps us and VBA to understand our chart has a chart title, and then in the next line we are going to give the title of our chart. So as you can see that we have written dot chart title dot text equals to, and then in the double inverted comma we are going to give 3D bar stacked chart in VBA Excel, as this is the chart which we are going to create in this video. You can modify this as per your convenience. And then what we are going to do is we are going to show the data labels over here. As you can see, the 800, 700, all this data labels are applied to each and every bar. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. This line of code will help you to show the data label inside your chart. And then what we are going to do is we are going to create a data table as shown on the chart over here. So to create this table, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data table show. Once you have given this line of code, automatically the VB understands that we have to create a data table inside our chart. And then what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines from the chart to look more better. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have written this line, your grid lines will be removed from your chart. And then what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on top. So what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends, and to set the legends we are going to type dot set element, and inside the bracket it will be MSO element legend top. Once you have written this code, your legends will be on top. And then what we are going to do is we are going to remove the floor. As you can see, there is no extra lines around your bar. So to remove those lines as well, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element chart floor none. And then you have to type end width. So if you have followed till here and written these lines of code from here till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D bar stack chart in VBA Excel. And as you can see that we have selected our chart over here, and to deselect our chart we are going to select in a single cell which is empty, and this will help us to deselect our chart. So I have selected range F1 over here. Now as you can see that here is the bonus trick. So over here, as you can see, our products labeled over here, but if you want the legends also over here inside the table, the chart table, then what you can do is you can simply come to data table show, and you can type with legend keys over here. If you type this inside the brackets, and if you run the code, here you go. See, you have the legends as well inside your table, showing what legends presents what type or what category or what product. So that's all for this video, and if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel VBA Coder. And for more such videos in VBA visualization series, then please do visit to our channel VBA Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.